Hello everyone, welcome to Indie Panel, a show where 30 indie characters compete to win the title of this season's Best Indie Character. I'm your host Canito. Now let's get started. Howdy fellow indie characters, it's time to start the game. First we have to randomize the teams. Just give me a second. So now we have the teams. Now I don't have any team name ideas, so let's just get to which team is up for elimination. So Team 2 is up for elimination. Let's see the voting style for the episode. Guess it's the classic vote to eliminate. Viewers, vote using the poll in the description to eliminate one of these indie characters. The indie character with the most votes will leave the show. Voting ends whenever I want it to.